Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Are you tired of your boring, outdated car stereo? Are you ready to take your driving experience to the next level? Well, look no further because we've got the inside scoop on the best Apple CarPlay head units on the market. Whether you're a music lover, a navigation guru, or just someone who enjoys staying connected on the go, these head units will revolutionize the way you drive. So buckle up and get ready to transform your car into your very own high-tech sanctuary. Let's dive into the world of Apple CarPlay and find the perfect head unit for you. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. Boss Audio Systems BVCP 9700A. A sleek multimedia console for your car that won't break the bank. One of the standout features of this unit is its support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you access to your favorite apps and navigation tools with just a voice command. Plus, with Siri or Google Assistant by your side, you can focus on the road ahead while staying connected. Bluetooth support allows for hands-free calling and music streaming, making it easy to stay entertained during your drive. And with multiple inputs available, including front and rear camera support, you can customize your setup to suit your needs. The optional steering wheel control is a nice touch, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road while still accessing all the features of the BVCP 9700A. The only downside to this unit is the need for an additional interface module for the steering wheel control, which adds a bit of complexity to the installation process. However, once everything is set up, you'll love the convenience and functionality that the BVCP 9700A brings to your car. Upgrade your ride today and experience the convenience of modern technology on the go. Number 4. Alpine Halo 11. The Alpine Halo 11 is a top-of-the-line in-dash unit that truly stands out in the market. The 11-inch touchscreen display is impressive and provides a clear and vibrant viewing experience. The multiple physical buttons make navigating through menus and media a breeze, adding a tactile element to the user experience. Full support for both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, as well as Android Auto, ensures that you can easily connect your smartphone and access all your favorite apps and features. The built-in amplifier delivers high-quality sound, enhanced by the 24-bit DAC. Additionally, the unit supports a wide range of audio-video formats, giving you plenty of options for entertainment. One standout feature is the option to use the Halo 11 as a backup camera with Alpine's compatible cameras. This dual functionality adds convenience and versatility to the unit, making it a great investment for your car audio needs. However, the price tag may be a bit steep for some, and the installation process can be a bit involved. But with the impressive array of features and capabilities the Alpine Halo 11 offers, the investment is worth it for those who want a top-of-the-line in-dash unit. If you're in the market for a high-end car audio system, the Alpine Halo 11 is definitely worth checking out. Still searching for the perfect Apple CarPlay head unit? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Car and Driver Intellidash Pro. The Car and Driver Intellidash Pro is a convenient and easy-to-use unit that enhances your driving experience. The strong adhesive disc mount ensures stability, while the Bluetooth connection allows for seamless pairing with your smartphone. The 7-inch IPS high-res touchscreen provides clear visibility even in bright sunlight, allowing for easy interaction with the crystal-clear HD display. By connecting your phone to the Intellidash Pro, you can access all of your smartphone's best features on the go. One of the standout features of the Intellidash Pro is its ability to upgrade older vehicles by turning them into modern infotainment hubs. The unit's small footprint and no-frills design make it a perfect choice for those looking for a simple and effective solution. What you'll love most about the Intellidash Pro is its seamless integration with your smartphone, allowing you to access all your favorite apps and features while on the road. However, if there is one downside to the unit, it would be the lack of advanced features found in other models. Overall, the Car and Driver Intellidash Pro is a solid choice for those looking to add smart display functionality to their vehicle. If you want a reliable and straightforward option that gets the job done, be sure to check out the Intellidash Pro. Number 2. Westods wireless CarPlay unit with dash cam. Get ready to revolutionize your driving experience with the Westods wireless CarPlay unit with dashcam. This all-in-one device combines a large touchscreen display, high-resolution dashcam, and wireless connectivity for seamless integration with your smartphone. One of the standout features of this unit is the 9.3-inch widescreen display, providing crisp and clear visuals for navigation, media, and more. The inclusion of a 2.5K dashcam on the rear of the unit ensures that you can capture important moments while on the road, giving you peace of mind. The addition of a wired backup camera further enhances the functionality of this device, making parking and reversing easier than ever. The 64 GB micro SD card included allows you to store all your captured media without worrying about running out of space. The Westods wireless CarPlay unit works flawlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you the flexibility to use your preferred platform. The aux input and Bluetooth connectivity ensure that you can connect with older devices seamlessly. The easy installation process, combined with the built-in speakers for calls and navigation, make this unit a must-have for any tech-savvy driver. The only downside to this product is the need for hardwiring the rear-view camera, which may be a bit of a hassle for some users. Overall, the Westods wireless CarPlay unit with dashcam excels in providing a seamless and feature-rich experience for modern drivers. Check it out to take your driving experience to the next level. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Carpuride W901 Pro. If you want the best in-car entertainment system, the Carpuride W901 Pro has got you covered. This device offers wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and dual Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, making it a versatile option for all your connectivity needs on the road. First of all, the 9-inch touchscreen display with a 1024 by 600 pixel resolution is crystal clear and responsive, ensuring a user-friendly experience every time you use it. The wireless connectivity options allow for seamless integration with your mobile devices, while the dual Bluetooth 5.0 ensures compatibility with older devices. The inclusion of a micro SD card slot and USB input make it easy to load media and connect your phone for wired connections. The optional backup camera support is a nice touch for added convenience, and the integrated light sensor is a thoughtful feature that automatically adjusts the display brightness based on ambient lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the Carpuride W901 Pro is the suction mount, which allows for easy installation on your dashboard or windshield. The ability to move the unit from one vehicle to another is a game changer for those who switch cars frequently. While the Carpuride W901 Pro is a fantastic Apple CarPlay head unit. One small drawback is the lack of a physical volume knob, which could be inconvenient for some users. However, this minor issue is easily overshadowed by the unit's numerous benefits. Overall, if you're in the market for a top-notch Apple CarPlay head unit, the Carpuride W901 Pro is definitely worth checking out for its superior features and user-friendly design. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best Apple CarPlay head units. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which Apple CarPlay head unit you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.